yields will be a bit higher, and you are also now getting some extra incentives. Restaking and restaking BNB. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about restaking and restaking BNB. So, as you guys know, we have a range of products. YieldNest is going to create a range of YieldNest created products, and the main products will be YNETH, YNLSD, YNUSD, YNBTC, and YNBNB. YNUSD and YNBTC are coming soon. More about that later. And now YNB just went live, and we got over $280,000 in already. The yield here, as you can see, is a little bit low. We're working on new UI to kind of display the full yield that you can receive. And you can go here, you can restake your BNB. So you take your Listadao BNB, which is kind of like the Lido of Binance. Then you stake that for YNBNB. And then to earn an extra yield, you can actually go to the earn page right here. And then you will be able to go here to TIA. And you can see here, you can see also the tokens here, Convex, TIA, etc. You can see which tokens give which yields. So here you go, TIA gives around an APR of around 45% at the moment, and you get an 8x seed boost. So it's a very, very attractive way to put your BNB to work and to align and restake and harden the security of the Binance Smart Chain. My salted opinion here is that BNB restaking, because also EVM compatible, second biggest EVM chain, makes way more sense than Solana or BTC restaking, even in my book. But that's a topic for another day. All right, so let's take a look, right? So as we just saw, we have the BNB restaking that make myself a little bit smaller. We have the BNB restaking, and then we can actually do a couple of things with it. Venus is landing and borrow market is coming up. And right now already TNAB, which is like similar to what Curve or Uniswap is on Ethereum, it's like a DEX. And we can actually inject our liquidity so that other people can trade with it. What's really cool about this is that TINA is basically a kind of like a Uniswap v3 fork. And similar to Uniswap, what people familiar with Uniswap know that it's about the concentrated liquidity. So what you can do here, you provide liquidity in a very concentrated way. And that's why also the yields will be a bit higher, and you are also now getting some extra incentives, right? On the background, that works with Gamma, and you can also go directly to the Gamma pool here, where it's around $20 million. But I would actually recommend this to use TIA, use the earn page, go here, go to pools, you can click, and then you go here, you click the strategy you want to invest in. In this case, we go for Gamma. So continue. And then you need to provide liquidity 50-50. And then you say, add liquidity and stake. This is a new wallet. I connected it, and I can go here. I have 0.6 BNB. I just need a little bit left for gas cost. So let's say we're gonna do 0.05. Just kind of like test it out. Here I can click add liquidity and stake. Click that here, and then you can see there's a bunch of transactions we need to do. The first thing that happens is that you need to rob BNB into wrapped BNB, because wrapped BNB is kind of used to pair it. The standard BNB doesn't happen, but that all happens in the background for you. You just need to give a couple of signatures. Then we need to approve YNBNB. So we're approving YNBNB to be used in the liquidity pool from our wallet into that specific liquidity pool. Then we're doing the same thing for the wrapped BNB that we just wrapped. And then the step after this is adding the liquidity. Then we're approving. Let's go. Now we're adding the liquidity. So now we're actually putting the liquidity in this Gamma swap thing that automatically rebalance the liquidity for us. Normally in Uniswap, you will have to do all the rebalancing for yourself, but now you don't have to do that. All right. Now we're approving the liquidity tokens, and then we're going to stake the liquidity tokens in the contract so that these liquidity tokens can earn rewards. All right, so let's go, confirming this one as well. Yeah, and you will see after I've done this, you will be able to see my position. It's already there in the background. Okay, well done. The window will close in 5 seconds. All right, here you go. And it's all here. Actually, let's actually refresh. And you'll get actually rewards in TIA tokens. And you will also get rewards in, here you see, the position, and you can harvest the rewards already. let's not do that. We just injected the money, right? So that I would not recommend doing that right away. But yeah, you can see here all the rewards that you're getting. You can see the TVL, the APR, etc., etc. So this is fantastic. I hope this video was clear. And if there's any like questions about restaking or about these kind of mechanisms, I'd love to talk about it. So if you guys like these kind of videos and want me to go a little bit more in depth or want to talk about certain topics, please let me know, and I'm happy to discuss it. All right, guys, thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.